Here's why you're making a mistake when you're using the hammer candlestick. First off, here's what a bullish hammer looks like. Small body at the top, long wick at the bottom, way bigger than the body. The hammer candlestick gives you the signal that a reversal is coming, since buyers are stomping the sellers. The biggest mistake you can make is to enter immediately when you see the hammer. The problem is, you haven't waited for the correct confirmation. You must wait until the next candle breaks the high of the previous candle before the hammer. When it does, you're free to enter and go on your merry way. However, don't expect to win every single time.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Even though the hammer candlestick has a high winning rate of at least 60% of the time, especially on a downtrend. The way you can increase your chances of winning every time is by putting a simple 200 exponential moving average on your charts. So when you spot the hammer and you see the confirmation candle, look at the 200 EMA to see if price is above it. Now you're looking for a buy. Or if price is below it, you're looking for a sell, giving you a better chance at winning your trade.